He's veering off, quite hard to get.
Every time I put the camera, it doesn't do anything.
You know it's getting filmed. Just fart. Shit. That was sick. That chip you gave. So burst. Random noise. Oh, Sherry, they're laughing at me.
Oh, guys.
Well, fuck you then.
Oh, it's got
you.
his friend. It's so funny. Guys. Guys. That was so funny. Oh, you're running away. No, you're laughing at me. I'm gonna go commit suicide on the road. Yep. He's off. Let's go. Oh, let's lost him. Oh, let's go get run over, guys.
Oh no.
With such big fucking seagulls.
It's our own nature documentary. It's on him.
Oh.
Great.
Oh. You just shat. You just shit.
He did. No one saw me.
I was being so subtle.
No one saw that.
Hey guys, your friends are up there. Woo! Friends, countrymen. He's off again. Yeah. I'm getting the feeling I'm being watched. He's off. Look at that. I've never seen a seagull go so much in my life. Bye. 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 See if any of the other ones are there. Still there. Pretending I don't see him. Oh no, no, he's still moving. Right, she can't see me. Now. I'm gonna